Hey, I've got this waterproof shower speaker. The brand did send this to me. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. So this suctions inside your shower, and now you can take your music in there. But you got all the standard buttons on here, right? You can cycle through any tracks. You're going to be able to go forward, backwards. You got your volume button on there, power button. There is a light setting right here. So if you don't want the light, you can go ahead and turn that off. Here is where you're going to charge this up. They give you a little USB-C cable. On the back, here is what the suction cup looks like. You're going to need to install that right here. It's not loose. It's on there. It's not going anywhere. There's just a little bit of a pivot point right there, but the suction cup is on there. So this is waterproof, so the shower can go ahead and get water on that, no problem. But you're going to have everything right there at your fingertips. Let's go ahead and connect it. With the Bluetooth on, we're just going to go ahead and power this on. And you just heard it say it's connected. This side, you can go ahead and turn it all the way up. And it does tell you your volume level right there.
Level 2 warning for the surrounding regions.
Now we're on max volume.
Yellow level 4 warning
now we can go ahead and we can take it all the way down. I've had a couple of these shower speakers. This one is definitely a bigger profile. It's an actual true speaker. I had the one where it like vibrates on the surface, which was pretty good. This is like a really good, clear, crisp sound quality, as you heard. So pretty good battery life on it too. But yeah, and enjoy your shower time, put some music on, have a good time, pick this one up. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.